Hello, my basket designers and friends, and welcome back to Everything in the Basket. It's so nice to have you here, and I'm Angie, and if you're new here, welcome. It's so nice to have you here, and thank you guys for taking the time out to click on this video to see what it's all about today. Today, guys, I have another unique concept for you guys. It's for a little boy. As you can see, I'll be using this bulldozer as a basket today. So let's jump right in. I like using different things for baskets, guys, as you can tell by now. But we'll be using this little bulldozer today for a little boy. Because little boys love bulldozers, cars and trucks and dinosaurs. My granddaughter loves bulldozers and trucks and cars too also. I'm trying to find her some pink like bulldozers and stuff. But it's going to be a Paw Patrol theme. And I've already cut my little backing board out to put on my coloring book. I'll be using this coloring book today. So I'm going to put a little piece of tape on here to hold this in place. Guys, I have so many concepts to start on. I've been busy doing spring cleaning and doctor's appointments and have gotten behind on my baskets. But hopefully I'll be getting it together soon. I have an event coming up on the 5th of April, so I have to get ready for that. And my daughter's moving back next weekend. So I'm trying to have everything for when they move back ready. I hope you guys enjoyed my little boot concept. Just take this here a little bit. I have quite a few more little concepts. I hope I'm able to get to all of them. Okay, now I'm going to put on some candy in here. I'm using this little Mott's, what is it? Little animals, assorted fruit. Trying to get some like healthy snacks for kids. But some of them's not healthy, like chips and cookies. But I'm trying. Should have had a little person to sit in there. But I don't have any in my stockpile, and I'm not going to the store to buy any. I'm just using what I have. I have so much stuff in my stockpile. Of course, this tape is not acting right today. So I need to get rid of some of this stuff in my stockpile first before I go out and buy anything else. I didn't realize how much stuff I had, guys. Until we start packing up, I'm moving back out to my shop in my backyard. Because I had brought everything in the house when I had my knee and back surgery. So I could work inside. I didn't have to go outside. And I didn't realize how much stuff I had. I have a lot of stuff. I don't need to buy anything else to use some of the stuff up that I already have. Okay, that's the Mott's in here, and I'm gonna put it next. I have this little it's like a DVD movie. I don't know if, well, I still have a DVD player where I play my movies, like my Christmas movies, and my husband plays some movies, especially when our power, not when the power go out, but sometimes the cable goes out, so we play movies, but we still have a DVD player, but I don't know if other people do not, but I'm just throw this in here anyhow. And I have a little cup that I'm putting in, the Paw Patrol cup. I know I used to see the little red box movies everywhere now. I don't see them anymore. Anyway, I guess because everybody has cable now, maybe. A Roku TV. You can just look at everything online now. This tape is really sticking to my finger. Come on, tape. Work with me, tape. Work with me. Work with a sister, tape. I'll put a piece on the back of this book. Do you guys have any events, or you just doing straight out street selling? I think I didn't put this video down further enough in there. Okay. Next I'm going to put in, what did I want to put in next? I guess the puzzle right here, one of my puzzles. And I have my Capri. I'll put this here. And I have, so I'll go ahead and put the puzzle up first, then I can decide from there. And I should have put a glue dot up under here. Hold up, hey guys. I'm gonna put a glue dot up on the under here. I like this tape because it can peel off easy. I always have a love-hate relationship with glue dots. Sometimes they're my best friends and sometimes not. They're my enemy. And my tape is beginning to be that way too. And I wanted my book to show a little bit. Stitch straight. Okay, now I'm gonna put some tissue paper in my cup. So I can put my popcorn in. Okay, and I'm gonna put my tissue paper in here. Put a little bit of my grass on top. My grass that need mowing. And I forgot to put a little green tissue paper on top. So I like putting green tissue paper on top of my the color of the grass that I'm putting down, but this will be hiding in the house, so I'm not worrying about it. So I'm gonna put well, I think I'll put my crayons right here. And maybe an egg. There. Okay, put a piece of paper on that. Guys, I think I'm gonna move this cup over a little bit. That's a little bit better. It's a little difficult because the shape of the bulldozer. And put some double-sided tape on my egg. And I already put my I can't think straight today, guys. Put my Skittles in here, candy. Okay, next I'm gonna put on, and you know what, guys? I forgot to put my little stickers on, my Paw Patrol stickers, so let me go ahead and do that now. Who do I want to put on the front? This little Dalmatian dog, is he too big? Let me try him. Yeah, I forgot to put my little stickers on. Trying to find a good spot to put this one. Oh, that's not a good spot. I wanted to find another spot in the front somewhere. Maybe right there. Well, we'll see. I might have to move that. Okay, now I'm gonna put it, see if I have another spot to put one. Put this one on the wheel also. I like these little stickers. You can pretty much find them in all of the characters. You might have to shop different Dollar Trees though to find them. Girl say I'm gonna get my my little scraper thing tool that I use for my Crooked machine, but I've already taken that out to my shop. I'm trying to do a few little last minute baskets before I move everything out of here. Okay, this is how this one looks so far. And I got him on the back. And these ones were the wall decals. And I hope they stay on here long enough. Okay, I'm gonna put another one. I can't put one right there. I guess I'll put one here. Okay guys, this is it, one right here. I'm trying to make sure it's sealed good. I have the other ones. And I probably put the last one here, even though you probably won't be able to see it, but you can see it once they take it off. Okay guys, this is it. Now I'm gonna start putting my other items on. I'm gonna have my Capri Sun. Trying to think where I'm gonna put this. I think I'll put it right here beside. That I'm putting right here. And I have this to put on also. Maybe I should have put that Capri Sun in my cup. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put that in this cup. Put the popcorn. It's hard getting this cup because of this this shape of this basket, the shape of the bulldozer. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna put my maybe I'll put the crayons there. Trying to see what else I have to put up here. Oh gosh, you know what? I had this little dog to put in the cup. Maybe I can put him riding in the truck. Then I can take the candy out and put the candy in something else. Yeah, I'll put him riding in the truck. My intention was to put him in this cup, but since I put the Capri in there and the popcorn in there, I think I need to put some popcorn to hold it back this way. That'll probably help with this. That cup leaning. Yep, that fixed it when I put that tape on it right there. Because it goes down like a slope. But that took care of it. When I taped that popcorn to the book. Okay, and I'm gonna put my little Dalmatians, like a little keychain. So he's gonna be driving. Just a little ear out. Okay, and then I have egg. Put one there. Of course, I have to tape my egg down again. put my little car right here. And put a little bit of grass in here first. Then I'm going to put beside that. You guys have to take this car over a teeny bit. I need something to put right in here. Maybe I'll put this egg in here. I'm trying to think of everything that I have. I think I'll put this egg in there. Put the Sour Patch on top. Okay. And I have this little poppet that I'm putting in also. I'm hoping that this can come off without me having to get my turn my heat gun on. I don't think I have it plugged in. Seems like it's coming off. Okay, I'm gonna put that poppet like on the back also. Maybe up here for my Cheetos. And I have another puzzle to put on the back also. And I have some cookies. Piece of tape right here. Okay, just pause up 1, 2. And I have tape my stuff to make sure it's on there really good. Okay, and then I'm gonna put I think I'll use these chips. Let me decide which one to use. Don't know if I like this on the outside or inside. Okay, guys, I'll figure it out. Oh, you know what? Guys, I have this that I didn't put in. No bubbles on the back. Yeah, I just need like a little piece of candy right there, and that's it. And cheese a wrap. Okay, let me get a piece of candy. Another piece of candy. And I just knocked some stuff down, guys. Oh well. So I got a bunch of stuff piled up behind me that I need to take out to my shop. Okay, guys, this is the finished concept. This is the back. She's loaded. And this is the front. And I know you guys will probably ask about pricing. But I haven't figured out a price yet for this. I have to add everything up. Maybe somewhere, maybe like $40 or something like that. 40, 45. Maybe 50. I'll have to see. Once I start adding up stuff. And let me take a picture of this and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and I went ahead and after I got finished taking my pictures, I went ahead and put it in the bag, and it took 24 by 30 bag, I think it was. Yeah, 24 by 30 bag that it took. I was thinking about shrink wrapping it, but my shrink wrap roll is out in my shop and I didn't feel like going out there and getting it. So I went ahead and put it in a cello bag. And I already made my little bow. I did like a red and blue bow. Try to save some time because this video is like really long. It's probably like 50 minutes long. I'll probably have to speed some of it up to cut it down a little bit. And I made this little tag also. Let me put this on first. I made like a little Paw Patrol little tag that I'm gonna put on my bow. Let me get my hole punch and punch a little hole in here. I got some ribbon that I'm gonna put on. And this is the same little wall decal that I'm using. Same little wall decal. I just put it like on a piece of poster board. Put my little bow on. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little bulldozer. Well, I don't know what backhoe. I call it a bulldozer, but it could be like a backhoe, another name for it. My husband can tell you what it is. Tell me what it is, but he's not here right now, so maybe you guys know the correct name for it. I try to make short videos for you guys, but it's still up being kind of lengthy. Sorry about that, but this is the finished concept. This is the back. All the way around. It has a lot of goodies in here. Some little boy will love this, I hope. And this is the front. My little tag on here. And I decided to make like a little, not a really big bow. I know boys probably don't care about bows. A little girl might care about a bow more than a little boy. Okay, this is the finished concept, guys. And thank you for watching. I hope the video wasn't too long for you. I hope you enjoyed this little concept, Easter basket concept using the bulldozer for a little boy. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like and share and comment on this video. And I'll see you on the next one.